Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm actually up on a roof on a Brinkley, but I just wanted to pan the lot real quick. And the lot's not that full today. It is the start of a week, the new week. It's Tuesday. What I wanted to do is just kind of give you an overview. We also have over in the back shop over there, we have 4 units inside. And as you can see, we have a lot of just a mixture, travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, everything from Integras to Dutch Stars, Keystone products, Winnebagos, Keystones, a lot of Grand Designs. There's a Montana, or a Momentum, a Reflection, an Imagine. There's a couple alliances here for some warranties, a couple Reflections back over there, a Solitude, another Reflection. And then I'm standing on a Brinkley, and there's another Brinkley here for warranty. And here's another Brinkley that's here doing some accessories, some upgrades to the electrical. And then another Reflection, which I'm not sure if they're doing suspension work or if we're doing frame work on that one. But anyways, just wanted to check in with you. If you haven't already came to our shop before, we encourage you to do so. We're not a selling dealership, and so we strictly pride ourselves on repair maintenance. We're always trying to look out for what's best for our customers. So if you come in here, we do what's called a free exterior evaluation. We're looking to see if there's any issues or problems on the units, and whether you do it yourself or we do it, we're here to walk you through that and help you out. We saw a lot of times people say, hey, there's always so much road noise in the background. So here's the main street, Cherokee Lane, and that's where we get all that vehicle road noise that you're hearing. This used to be Highway 99, and just on the other side of these buildings that are over here is the highway. And so, but that's from way back when, prior to my lifetime. But we still get quite a bit of traffic, and we get quite a bit of people that drive their RVs down our street pretty randomly. We got Highway 12 that comes in over here and connects to Cherokee, and then they'll shoot across on the other side of Highway 12, which will take them over to I-5. So, and you can also hear we get a lot of trains and a lot of other stuff through this area. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. I just wanted to throw that out there. If you haven't also joined any of our Facebook groups, we have a Grand Design group with over 50,000. We have a Brinkley group with, I think, over 6,000. We have a Winnebago Thor group. So there's another Winnebago there. We have a Keystone group. We have, I was trying to see what else is out here. We don't have a Lance group anymore. We have a Alliance group and other brands that come through here, Dutchmen and whatnot like that. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We hope you check us out. Come in and see us so we can get you squared away, keep you out happy and traveling safe. Thanks again for watching. It's Dustin, your RV specialist.